Oh, oh, me stop singing because me not able. When I ask me if mix up no go on over here, yes, it go on too. No tell me on no mix up and say if me not talk about it. Nobody now know how to reach out to me and tell me. Nobody now know how when me tell the story. Anyways, this undocumented. No listen carefully when me I tell my story, you know. Cause me nah make nobody figure out who me I talk to. Oh, so only listen to me topic them very carefully because me wear my words them when me I say this undocumented um immigrant Jamaican lady was living with an Asian guy and he's a citizen. Our hope was for him to marry her to get her paperwork, right? She cook lovely food, give him, wash him clothes, take care of him. You know the whole works of a Jamaican woman. She take care of him, you know, man. Treat him like a king. Anyways, the man knows him of him high school sweetheart back in Haiti. And the guy go down, tell her say he was going to England for vacation. He go to Haiti, got married to his sweetheart, his high school sweetheart. The man block her on Facebook. In blocking in girlfriend here we have on Facebook. But guess what pop up? The woman post the picture at the wedding on FR page. And for some reason, it pop up on FR screen on Facebook. Yes, it pop up on FR screen on Facebook. And she see the picture and say nearly have a fit. When she see the man she have in her house. Her feed. Them a lay down in a bed and in left. Say I go to England for vacation, go look for family. When I 18 gone, married to a high school sweetheart. Block her on Facebook because he want to post him picture them on Facebook. So him block her. And guess what? A fear picture them come up with him in the on fear page. Yes. So you know how she feel. She pretend like she not see them. She screenshot them. She send them to me. Yeah. And she say, you know what, Donna? Me nah go tell him. No, me nah go tell him. Me nah go say nothing to him. I go make him come back here. This is why you see some people, some things happen to them you don't know. Because if I did one woman where, me don't know what would I do to him. Maybe if that was a man, it would not happen. So, hey, yeah, that scratch me. Oh no, picture this. Picture this. Picture me and you and me. Yes. So you can imagine that? That is cold and heartless. The heart of mankind, you know. You live with this woman, you know. Come, we are going to go deep now. You live with this woman. She do everything for you. Where a woman normally would do, a typical Jamaican woman. And you go do that to she? Eh? And our hope was for you to get her straightened. Mercy. So when the man come back now from him trip, come back and go on hype and dandy, you know it couldn't sit well with her. It couldn't sit well with her. So when he come, she sent him the picture of them and said, pack up your things them and leave. Cause he was living at her place. He was living, well, him have him own house, but him mostly at her place. So the two look a piece of bungle when you have, tell him to go. She was so hurt because she really checked for him, you know. For sure you say some man, especially black man them, they know if you tell a woman, to make a woman love them. We don't know what I'm to, you know. We tend to jump in a relationship with our heart and not with our head. But I think it kind of changed a little bit, you know, because the world is getting very cold. We jump in a relationship and just drop down our heart, the people so, and we don't even know them properly. Why we do that? Them don't do that, man don't do that, Sometimes it take all a man a year, 2 year, 3 year before them really fall in love with you. Them have to watch what you are do throughout the years and your consistency for them to love you to that extent. Where you love them for in a 2 month or less. I don't call it love at first sight. Papa Jesus. A one man me ever love. And it take me very long to do it. And me still with him right now. Never love nobody else. Never even know one name so. But I've seen it happen so many times where, the female mostly get hurt when it come out to relationship. They are the one who in mostly pain and go through a lot. She go through a lot. She went through a lot with that. The man cool. Madonna's uno tell me, uno see me I give you no content, and uno not like up my videos them. How uno finna like up my videos them? Awa. What make uno not like up my videos them? Come on, man. Uno show me some support over here, so now, man. Me I give uno things. Me I uno a reason. Me I uno a talk. And when me look for my video them, one little bit I like. So that the little bit of Donna's them have you. Well, I don't know me Donna's over here. What uno thinking like I go do to me? For me now. Wait I go do. You don't like my video, man. Nah, if it stay so bad. Sure. Let me look at my video them. No, give me the little views and just think it hard feel like the video. Remember me now over here bring down nobody. Me just a show no and tell my view and my review. No, for go answer, man. You can always like the video, man. Me dehydrated and my mouth dry. And me a talk too now, not even like the video. Me a cry, Sure. I don't like the video, man. Top go answer, man. Support me, man. Nah, play with you, no. Later, man. Anyways, tell me what you think because, I've never in some of them situations where me hear people go through, but it's hard, man. Some of them something here tough. You live with this person, you fall in love with them, and them just take up themselves and like you're a rock, man. You in this woman's skin tonight and you pick up your give her you get in her skin tonight, go on your vacation tomorrow and just go marry somebody. Like what kind of heart you had, brother? Damn. Give you like a piece before you go on your vacation and you go marry to somebody. What kind of heart that? Go marry that big step that. How you feel when you're at the altar knowing say you just come out of that woman in the bed? That woman they don't know about that woman there and that woman they don't know about that woman there. And mix up this later.